So student, today we will do question number 1 from exercise 4.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, we have to find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So see question number 1. Question number 1. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. We will split middle term. So x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. x plus 2 minus 5, take common, then it will be x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 common, take x plus 2, then it will be x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to then minus 2 and 5. This is the roots. So this is the answer. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. If you split middle term, then 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Take common 2x, x plus 4, 3 take common, then x plus, here will be 2. Equal to 0. We'll take x plus 2 common, then x plus 2, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2 and 3 by 2. This is answer. Now see question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So if we will split middle term, then root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now we will take here common root 2x. The root 2x, if we take common, then here will be x plus root 2 plus 5 we will take common here, then it will be x plus root 2 equal to 0. Then we take x plus root 2, here will be root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Then x is equal to therefore x is equal to minus root 2 one value, and from here we will get minus 5 by root 2. This is the answer. The question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. If we multiply, we will simplify this. If we will multiply both sides by 8, then we will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. This we can write 4x minus 1 whole square. This is we can write this in this way: 16 minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by this is the roots. This is answer. Now see question number 5. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written 10x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to then 1 by 10, 1 by 10. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.